Donald Trump prepares for his return to Facebook and Twitter, speaking about Twitter. Maybe he bought the bird statue. He's so excited to come back to Twitter and 100 million people or whatever it was. We had been speculating this because Elon got there and kind of like removed all the restrictions except for Alex Jones, as far as I know. I think he was. And then Kanye, who came back and then went back off. He's like, Kanye, you went too far. Kanye's like, let me see if I can go too far. I went too far. Yeah. And he's like, I don't care anyway.
And they're friends too, right?
I don't know if they're still friends after that, but hopefully they can figure it out. Shake hands at the end of it. I don't know. But Donald Trump, on the other hand, we wondered about him specifically because he had the Truth Social thing going on. And we were wondering, we're like, does he have a special commitment contract? Is he capable of just going right back to Twitter? And now I'm convinced that there is some like combination of things. So it was the Elon factor and then the removal of the ban or suspension, indefinite suspension, whatever it was. And then some contractual obligation running out as far as the Truth Social project. Because I was thinking, even if you want to keep promoting this Truth Social thing, you got 100 million people over here. You could just be tweeting promos for your own thing. And you're not really doing that. But anyway, apparently he is really coming back. Trump is probably coming back to Twitter. It's just a question of how and when, says a Republican who spoke on condition of anonymity to discuss private conversations with Trump about returning to the platform. He's been talking about it for weeks. Weeks long, he's been talking about it. You just wait till he's been rubbing his hands like this. You wait till I get back on that Twitter. I'm talking about this for weeks. I'll be back in just a couple of weeks. Another Trump confidant who also didn't want to be identified, speaking about conversations with him, said that Trump has sought input for weeks about hopping back on Twitter and that his campaign advisors have also workshopped ideas for his first tweet. Imagine the team, they're sitting in the boardroom. They're like, wow, they've got a whole chart going on. They're like, this one here, this tweet over here, we've tested it. We did a small test and people really liked it. This one, however, our projections for interaction, that's a big one.
I would imagine it would just be like a tweet of like, I'm back.
That's all you need?
I think so. And then like subsequent tweets would be like a workshop thing like that.
I don't know, Will. This is a big deal for, I think, because you're trying to run for president again, and everyone's going to look at his first tweet back is going to have crazy numbers. It's an opportunity for him to get the ball rolling on something specifically.
What's better than I'm back?
You only get one tweet back.
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe they're trying to convince him to promote something if he's trying to go back into presidential run. What if it said, your president is back?
Boo.
You just want time back. Okay.
No. I mean, the president one's pretty good.
Oh.
I like that one.
You just booed it.
Yeah.
No, because some people refuse to believe that he's not the president. Don't you remember? Sure. They were like, I don't know, maybe they'd get a kick. Listen, I don't really care one way or another. But I'm sure there's a lot of people that do.
And would he be talking to Elon, having a conversation on Twitter?
88 million followers on Twitter. So it's going to be a big deal regardless, Will. Regardless. Thank you for the super chat, Cole. He says, can I get a hilly hoo? Well, you just did. There you go. Thank you to everybody joining the chat, by the way. We really appreciate it.